how do you record a voice on the iPhone, but if you want to use it for YouTube videos specifically. Now, let me cover this topic. If it's your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so that way you'll never miss anything important. So, of course, we have the built-in voice memos app, which you can use, of course. You could even connect like a third-party microphone through the USB cable to it and use it for that. And, of course, that is the most common way or the most basic way to capture and record your voice, right? So that would work just fine, right? You also have some features to like edit the thing in here quickly. So, I mean, not much, but you can at least copy the transcript of what you are talking about, and also you have the ability to like enhance the recording or change the speed, so at least we have something. But I would say that even more important is not just the process of capturing the audio, but then putting it all together, right? So obviously you need a video editor where you combine the audio and visual part and, end up with a finished project. So, well, in that case, depends on if you want to do it on a computer or locally on the phone, because in that case, if you want to use it on the iPhone, I would recommend you to use the CapCut video editor, which of course lets you bring in here the visual part, like the video in here into the timeline. But if you want to add the audio, the one that we recorded in the voice memos, we have to at first export it. So in the voice memos, you're going to tap on the three dots, click on share, and essentially you want to save it to the files. The important part is that you remember where you are saving it, so choose the proper location as well as name it in a way so you can find it later. But once we have the recording in the Files app, you can just move over to the CapCut, click on Add Audio, click on Sound, then tap on this folder, Device, select from Device, and it opens up the Files app, right? So you can in here just browse through the locations, find the one you exported, and that's how you can add the audio recording you captured in the voice memos into an actual project. And, if you are using like a different video editor, it's going to work very similar. So, you're just going to access it through a different app, but the general process is likely going to be the same. Even if you want to edit it on a computer, you have to somehow get it from the iPhone. So you would as well just share the recording from the iPhone to the PC. Anyways, that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more if you liked the video. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.